Welcome back. In this section, we are going to look into Introduction to Big Data. Big data is about growing challenges that organization faces as they deal with large and fast growing source of data or information that also presents a complex range of analysis and use problem that can include how a computing infrastructure can ingest, that is, take the data, validate and analyze high volumes based on size or on based of rate, at how fast the data has been increasing its size and how it is increasing in terms of rate, how fast it is growing. Accessing mixed data, structured and unstructured, from multiple sources. Structured means it has a schema. Structured data can be easily identified, but unstructured data cannot be identified easily. We need to have some pattern in order to understand unstructured data. Dealing with unpredicted content with no apparent schema or structure. It's an example of unstructured data where it doesn't have any specified schema, which is a definition how the data looks like. So dealing with unpredictable content with no apparent schema or structure, it's very complex to handle because we need to have a certain schema in order to retrieve the meaningful value out of it. Enabling real-time or near real-time collection, analysis and answers means we need to have a quick real-time results for this huge data which is being processed. Nowadays we call big data. The processing is in terms of gigabyte, terabyte and petabyte, also in zettabytes. So this is how the data has been grown exponentially. Big data technologies describes a new generation of technology and architecture design to economically extract value from large volumes of a wide variety of data by enabling high velocity capture, discovery and analysis. So in order to process a huge amount of data, we need to have a new generation of technology which enables us to process the data, capture the data at a high velocity and derive a meaningful result out of the data. The data comes from everywhere. Sensor used to gather climate information, post of social media sites, digital pictures and videos, purchase transaction records and cell phone GPRS signals are name a few. This is called as big data. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.